What is the largest ship in the world? No, it's not a cruise ship, and it's not an American aircraft carrier. This is CSCL Globe, a true giant of the seas, built in South Korea with one important mission: to deliver goods all over the world. It is thanks to this hard worker that washing machines, refrigerators, and much more appear in our homes. CSCL Globe can transport thousands of containers in one flight, crossing the entire world ocean and connecting factories with shops. Imagine the power of this vessel, almost 400 meters long and as high as a skyscraper. Without such ships, modern trade and everyday life are simply impossible. So the next time you turn on the washing machine or open the refrigerator, think about the CSCL Globe, that hard-working Marine who makes our lives more convenient.